Alright, this is a 2004 Haier 20-inch box fan I found in the trash. This fan's kind of a piece of junk. It's really rusty on top, but the bottom's not rusty yet. This is a pretty interesting fan. It was obviously made to copy a third generation Lakewood from the 90s. It's got pretty much the same style blades, and it still uses a 2.1 amp Macmillan motor, which is pretty cool, from 2004. I just keep it around because I use it as a shop fan, and I figure if something happens to it, or if something happens to one of my other fans, rather, I can take parts off this. Like if I need a third generation Lakewood that needs a grill or a blade, I could take either grill or the blade set off this fan and put it on there, because the grills will bolt right on. It'll just look a bit funny with that strange center, unless I use the back grill, which is pretty much generic. Not a really bad fan. It does show some decent air, but low speed's way too fast for me. And plus it's all rusty on top, so it's not very pretty, and the frame's not the world's straightest, but you know, at least it runs pretty good and it stands up by itself, so that's all I really care about. It makes a good shop fan. But anyway, that's it for this video, so as usual, thank you for watching, and I hope all you guys enjoyed.